joined HPCL in 2008, and it has been an incredible journey over 16 years since then. Currently, I am working as a Senior Manager, Real Estate and Analytics in Pune Retail Regional Office under Retail SVP. As a Real Estate and Analytics Officer, my role is instrumental in ensuring smooth operation in regional office by managing sales-related back office operations, overseeing data and process management, coordinating seamlessly with various internal and external stakeholders like regional office, zonal office, head office, statutory bodies, our legal and commercial team, dealers, and mainly landowners. The RA and Analytics Officer role, while seems largely administrative, is also dynamic and challenging. Unplanned tasks often arises which require extended work hours and weekend involvement. Two key principles guide my work as a RE and Analytics Officer. One is speed and other is clarity. A typical day at work starts with arriving regional office and reviewing previous day's daily sales report, forwarding that report with my analysis to the field team as well as to RM, coordinating with zonal office and field officers for implementing business strategies, forwarding daily reports and periodic reports to zonal team. During the day, the key activity of RE Analytics Officer is lease and rental management, initiating proposal for resitement, reconstitution, and conducting interviews of the same, managing rental proposals, and overseeing the process until the lease registration is finalized, updation of lease and SSLF contract in SAP REFX module, and by that, ensuring smooth monthly rental payment is very important role of RE Analytics Officer. Another important activity is ARB, that is Allied Retail Business Activities. In this, we have to ensure tie-ups with the other businesses like Happy Shops and ensuring and expanding the new business opportunities, ensuring timely invoice updation for ARB and generating maximum revenue with the help of that. I ensure timely CNG booking and reporting, and also I maintain a very close coordination with CJD operator for new business installation, opportunities, agreement renewals, and pricing. My responsibility is ensuring the timely reply to all RTI and CPGram complaints. Replying to CMD, VIP, and DCO log is an important task of the day. I keep update of all legal issues and cases like eviction, means profit. I coordinate with company lawyers for handling the same. I also keep a very close coordination with HPCL legal team for legal concurrence whenever required in court cases and in title search cases as well. I assist regional team to ensure the commissioning of NRO, new retail outlet, in timely manner to expand network of HPCL. And how do I do that? I do that by handling BSJ process with a very critical needs and with my utmost attention. All the levels of BSJ process like scrutiny report, LEC checks, initiating file loads, and timely issuance of LOI is the drive for network growth. I ensure that the dealer selection guidelines and retail policies are followed in principle. I coordinate for regional events and activities, dealer LOI holder meets at region. Inspecting retail outlets for compliance of marketing discipline guidelines (MDG) is also a key responsibility. Being an RE and Analytics Officer demands spontaneity, alertness, and ground level leadership. While the role is full of surprises and challenges, field visits, stakeholder coordination, and unforeseen events, I truly enjoy my work. Every day, I look forward to contributing with renewed enthusiasm and serving the corporation with zeal and commitment for delivering happiness.